I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter. This Whitcomb 45-ton black gasoline-powered locomotive that was built in Rochelle, Illinois' factory. This locomotive, built for the U.S. Army, is sitting in front of the factory. You can see the building on the lower right-hand side of the picture. If you would like to find out more about the building, check out my other video. We will look closer into this 45-ton locomotive that sits in the park. It has a serial number of 60695 and was given the number WHPX5 by the W.F. Hall Printing Company. After it rolled out of the plant in 1946, it headed to the Chicago area, where it helped pull cars around for the once largest printing facility in the world. You might have seen their work. They helped print parts of mail-order Sears catalog volumes. They printed many catalogs and magazines of the day. Hugh Hefner grew up around the Hall printing facility in Chicago area. He had his first Playboy Mansion located at 1340 North State Parkway, Chicago, Illinois. Then he started the Playboy magazine. He had them print the magazine for several years until they sold the printing company to another owner. They lost the contract, and the company went downhill until they closed the Chicago building in 1985. Hugh had a part in the American culture that even touched the New Yorker paper on January 15, 1972. It was published without caption, but you can see that you could be coming home to your own bunny. In 2005, the Western and Southern Railroad donated this black Whitcomb 45-ton locomotive to the city of Rochelle. It was put in the park on its own pad between April and August of 2005. If you'd like a locomotive story from beginning to where it is today, I will leave a card about the Lehigh Whitcomb locomotive. If you would like to see this locomotive, it's sitting year-round, rain or shine, outside, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button